Hi, I'm Russell from Tile Doctor. We do a lot of training programs. This is our training centre here, so anybody who's interested in covering the training program with me and Heidi, it's a 2-day course, and we cover the first day, we cover rough stone. I don't know if you can see the picture here. The rough stone is sandstone, slate, rough slate, flagstone, and then we do home stones, which are like the marbles and the travertines, the limestones, and also do grout colouring, grout cleaning, grout sealing wall and floor. We also, if you can pan around here, you'll see some worktops. We do a bit of worktops as well. We've got different types of worktops. We've got slate and granite, marble, and then on some of the modules we also do polishing of ceramic tiles and porcelain tiles, as you can see along here. And we have Victorian tiles, these are the clay modules. So we do Victorian, and we do Terracotta, and we do Quarry tiles. So it's all part of a 2-day course that we offer. And basically, the first day is more about cleaning and the cleaning methods. The second day is more about the polishing and the sealing methods as well. So you've got 2 days, 2-day course. And if you're interested in doing the training course with it, it's all hands-on. There's no classroom courses. We don't go upstairs and do classrooms. It's all hands-on. We use the machinery. We show you how to use it all, how it works, how it all goes together. So it's really, really hands-on training course. We do small numbers. We don't do big numbers. We do 2, 3, 4 people max. So if you're interested, give us a call. Our telephone number is 0345 512 0122. That's 0345 512 0122. Or email us info@tiledoctor, full spelling doctor.co.uk. So that's info@tiledoctor.co.uk. And over here, you'll see a bit more of the training centre. We can just scan it round. All the different tiles we do. There's a lot of variety on the market these days. So we have a big training centre. So this will cover you quite nicely. If you're interested in doing this sort of thing, then we're the #1 training centre in the country. We've got the training facilities. Like I say, we don't do classrooms. This is all hands-on. So you can see the tiles, you'll see them clean up, you'll see them get sealed on the 2-day course. We'll put you down at the local hotel if you're travelling up. We're in the northwest of England, a little town called Karndean. And basically, this is the way to learn. This is the way to do it. See it done, get involved. We'll give you all the methods and everything to get involved. Let you go on the machines, on the buff machines, on the wet vacs machines, and you'll see it and you'll get involved and you'll learn to do it, all hands on. So give us a call, give us an email if you're interested. I'm Russell at Tile Doctor.